Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying ports. Locate the HDMI on the GPU or motherboard and the VGA on the graphics card or adapter. Once done, power off both monitors and the PC to prevent shorting when plugging. Make sure you have a passive HDMI to VGA adapter only if the GPU lacks native VGA. Otherwise, use native cables. Position monitors so cables run neatly. Then connect HDMI to one monitor and VGA to the other to begin the physical link. With cables seated, power the monitors first and then boot your PC so the operating system can detect both displays during initialization. Once Windows starts, right-click the desktop and open Display Settings. Click Identify to see which screen is 1 or 2, then choose Extend these displays to use dual monitor mode. Make sure to set the primary display for taskbar and apps, and adjust resolution and orientation so items appear crisp and aligned across both screens. Finish by fine-tuning resolution and scaling per monitor so text and windows look consistent. Move the monitor's positions and settings to match the physical layout. If a screen remains blank, first reset cables and confirm the monitor input source, then reboot and update GPU drivers. If HDMI to VGA was used and the image is unstable, switch to an active converter because passive adapters often fail with digital to analog conversion. That one fix resolves most stubborn signal problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.